Do you want to create 3D effects for your photos but don't know where to start? You think it's too complicated and can only be done with expensive AI tools? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to create 3D effects for your photos completely for free using CapCut. Before we start, I've prepared all the resources used in the video so you can practice in the easiest and most intuitive way possible. I've included the link to these resources in the video's description. Don't just sit and watch. If you want to learn any new skill, the first thing you need to do is mimic what you see, just like a child learning about the world. Ready? Let's get started. Alright, first we need to separate the soldier and the background into two different images. The soldier image will be in PNG format and the background image in JPG format. To do this, we will use Photopea. Photopea is an image editing application similar to Photoshop, but we can use Photopea directly in the web browser, and it's completely free. Isn't that great? Keep watching to see the detailed steps. Okay, in addition to using Photopea, we can also use Canva to quickly separate the soldier and the background into two different images. Open Canva and create a new design. Select the Uploads tab and upload the image you need to separate. Add the image to the page, then select Edit Image, followed by the Magic Select tool, and click on the soldier. Finally, click the Select button to separate the soldier and the background. Now, add a new page and drag the soldier image to the new page. Then click the Share button, select Download, choose Transparent Background, and click the Download button. Now we have successfully separated the soldier and the background into two different images with just a few simple steps. Very convenient, right? However, this feature is only available in Canva Pro, so consider using it if you have access. Now, let's move on to the next step. Before we begin, make sure you have completed the previous step. Now, create a new project in CapCut and add the two photos we just created. Zoom in on the background photo and add a keyframe at the starting point. Then, drag the timeline to the end and add another keyframe, returning the background photo to its original size. Next, do the opposite with the soldier photo to create the effect of the camera moving closer. At this point, we have created motion for the images. Looks pretty good, right? But we're not done yet. We need to add a few effects to make the video more dynamic. Let's move on to the next step. Now I will add the natural fire effect, which you can find in the natural effects section. I also want to add sparks, which are also available in CapCut. However, I want them to look more realistic, so I will go on YouTube and download a video to add to the project. Then, add the downloaded video to CapCut. And in the blend option, click on screen. There are many different effects, so experiment further to find the ones that suit your needs. Alright, let's see the result. That's it. Now you can create stunning 3D effects for your photos using CapCut, all free. Did you find this video helpful? What do you think about me making a detailed tutorial on creating a complete video with 3D effects? Leave your thoughts in the comments. If this video gets 1,000 likes, I'll make a detailed tutorial just for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more tips and tutorials. Wishing you success and see you in the next video. Keep going.